Hello and welcome. You are watching India Today So South, and I'm Afreen Hussain. Recently, BJP MP Anurag Thakur's alleged remarks on the caste of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in Parliament triggered a controversy. And now the latest issue of the RSS affiliated Panchajanya Weekly has gone on to justify the caste system. Calling the caste system a unifying factor of Indian society, the Weekly, in an editorial, stated that while Mughals could not understand it, the British saw it as a roadblock to their invasion of the country. The Weekly's editor, Hitesh Shankar, said in the editorial that the caste system was a chain that kept various classes of India together after classifying them according to their profession and tradition, and that following the Industrial Revolution, the capitalists saw the caste system as the guard of India. Hitesh Shankar argued that the caste system was always the target of invaders. He said that the Mughals targeted it with the power of the sword and the missionaries under the guise of service and reform. And in the form of caste, the Indian society understood one simple thing: betraying one's caste was betrayal of the nation. The editor further wrote that the missionaries understood this unifying equation of India better than the Mughals. If India and its self respect is to be broken, then first break the unifying factor of the caste system by calling it a constraint or chain. The editorial argued that this understanding of the caste system by the missionaries was adopted by the British for their divide and rule policy. This justification of the caste system by Panchajanya is significant as it comes at a time when the RSS has been at pains to explain it is not against reservations for the depressed classes. While the RSS has time and again tried to trace the roots of the caste system to the ancient Varna system based on division of labor, it has generally been apologetic about the caste discrimination that the system enforced in society. The Sangh has since its inception campaigned against untouchability. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has repeatedly said caste discrimination is the bane of Indian society and must be done away with. Some members take pride in saying they do not know the castes of their colleagues. Last year, Bhagwat said if reservations have to continue for another 200 years to compensate for the discrimination lower castes have suffered for 2000 years, he would support it. Hitesh Shankar in the editorial also argued that it was because of the skills passed from generation to generation in caste group that Indian artisans, such as Bengal's weavers, were so good that Manchester's mills could not produce such fine quality products. Apart from destroying India's industries, invaders focused on conversion to alter India's identity. When caste groups did not buckle, they were humiliated. These were the people who forced a proud community to carry human feces on their heads. There is no record of such tradition in India before that, the editorial said. The eyes that hurt seeing the generational talent of India are the same that dream of destroying the diversity, traditions, and rituals of the Hindu religion, Shankar also told. The editorial did not stop at justifying the caste system, further attacking the Congress. Hitesh Shankar said that the Hindu life, which includes dignity, morality, responsibility, and communal fraternity, revolves around caste, and that it is something that individual centric missionaries could not understand. If missionaries saw caste as a roadblock to their conversion program, the Congress sees it as a wedge in Hindu unity. And that, on the lines of the British, it wants to divide Lok Sabha seats on the basis of caste and increase the division in the country. This is why it wants a caste census. Notably, the BJP has not opposed a caste census openly. In reference to the caste row over BJP MP Anurag Thakur's jibe at Rahul Gandhi, Hitesh Shankar questioned, what is India's caste? He then went on to say that the answer from the society and history is Hindu, but that when the Congress party is asked of its caste, the answer will be East India Company and A.O. Hume. What is your take on the RSS Weekly Panchajanya justifying the caste system in India? Let us know in the comment section below. Until then, this is Afreen Hussain, and you are watching India Today So South.